Hey guys, today I'm going to make you I'm going to use my mango jerk sauce, and I'm going to make you a oven roasted chicken. So it's going to be roasted, but I'm going to use the mango jerk sauce to help with my seasoning. What I'm going to actually do, I have here my ingredients prepared as usual. I have my syringe. This is the biggest thing. I'm going to take my sauce and I'm going to inject it into different parts of my chicken. I've already seasoned the outside of the chicken with paprika, salt, and white pepper. Of course, you have to try to do that because you want your chicken to be very flavorful. Here is my mango jerk sauce that I made, that I've shared with many of my what I call home chefs that have sent me videos, so you can look out for those videos. And I'm going to inject some of this sauce into the chicken. I've also seasoned it with my garlic, pimento, and ginger seasoning, compliments of grace, and of course I love island spice. So that is what I'm going to do. I have my bell peppers, my red onions, my purple onions, sorry, and white onions cut up with garlic, and I'm going to also use that to coat the chicken. This is my sauce, my basting sauce that I'm going to use in the oven itself. Once the chicken is in the oven, this is what I'm going to use and constantly brush the chicken with it. And of course, my yam salad that I showed you earlier will be used to stuff the chicken on the inside. So this is going to be a good treat, guys. So look out for everything. I'm going to keep you posted. Oh, I almost forgot. Here is my baking tray with my rack. What you should always do when you're baking your chicken, put a little water just to coat the bottom of the pan, and that will help your chicken from burning and get from the skin getting too dark too quickly, and then inside of the chicken is not being cooked properly. So I'm all ready for you. Sit back and enjoy. Alright, here we go, guys. I've stuffed my chicken with the yam salad, totally stuffed, fully stuffed, and I've rubbed up my sauce on it, my mango jerk sauce. I can put a little more just for the outside. I've injected my chicken, so he's full of sauce right now, and I'm gonna lay him on the baking tray and stick him in the oven, and then brushing off the sauce for the outside, which is my wine sauce here. Okay, here we are. My chicken is about to go into the oven, heated at 180 degrees Celsius, and I will keep you posted, guys. Some stir-fry veg. I'm just cut up my bell peppers and my broccoli and my carrots, and I'm stir-frying, and then I'm gonna top it off. Once my veg is kind of nice and fried, then I toss in some of this sweet white wine.